Hey, cheers everybody. It's Monday, August 28th, about 5 p.m. So we've just gone from a heat wave with lots of smoke, really smoked in badly, to now 3 days of rain on the way with thunder and lightning coming tonight. So I just wanted to show you the sky here with everything starting to mix in with the smoke. Looks pretty biblical, like our skies always do. Just thought I'd give you a little shot here. And I'll take some pics tonight and see what happens. Hopefully we get some rain for the fires, and hopefully the lightning doesn't start any more fires. But anyways, everybody take care. Just a little update, and we shall see you down the road. Take care.